Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and attach back main rotating cleaning tool from XIAOMI Vacuum S10. And to do this, first we'll need to put our robot upside down, and right here you'll find two round orange buttons. You'll need to press both of them, and then while holding it, simply lift up the hatch. Inside there's this main rotating cleaning tool. We need to remove it, and now to attach it back we'll need to align the brush like this and then put it so that it rotates. Make sure that it actually manages to rotate, and then we can get this hatch, click on both of the buttons and align it just like that, and then simply close it, lift off the buttons, and it's replaced. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.